Are you kidding me? No way! Oh my dear God. A true miracle has happened. Seriously, a miracle. I cannot believe that it is finally sunny outside. It is blue skies. It's windy, but at least it's blue skies. We're supposed to be clear tonight. Temperature's going to drop down. Apparently it's a cold front that's coming in and it's pushed the rain out finally. So even though it's clear and cool tonight, it is still a little bit windy, and I'm pretty sure this thing's going to act like a sail. But does it really even matter? Hell no. I'm going to go out and play with my new telescope. So we're finally at the part that everybody wants to get to, and that is, how does it stack up? So fortunately, I had a lot of time with IC405 since November of 2018 up to present. And the first one that we got, first I'm going to compare these 60-second markers, right? So this was a 60-second that I processed with my 102 HA. 60 seconds, here's what we have, and I believe I stacked like about 100, actually more than that. I think it's about 150, something along those lines. It was a lot of stacking. This is 60 second, nope, I'm sorry, that's 45 seconds. Let's go to 60 seconds. This is 60 seconds on the RASA. So yeah, our scale is going to be a little bit off because 102 and 8 inch. So a little bit different. However, in the 60 seconds, here's the kind of data we were getting off of HA at F5, I do believe, as opposed to this HA from the 8 inch. So a lot more detail there, a lot more detail. Now, even at 45 seconds, here's what we were getting. So cut by 15 seconds, and I'm still getting a lot more detail in here than what I did here. Considerable amount more detail. Now, bearing that in mind, this is a 300-second picture, and we'll actually, this is 300-second on a 127 in HA, and then this was the, it's the 45. This was the 60 second compared to 5 minutes. So you could say arguably there is a little bit more detail perhaps that's in here as compared to this side. However, for 60 seconds compared to 5 minutes, and had I ran this probably 90 seconds, I'm sure I would have equaled this without a doubt. I'm just positive at 90 seconds it would at least match this, if not surpass it just a little bit. So all that bearing in mind, let's look at the finished stack, which is right here. So this is 40 frames, 45 seconds each, which came up to 18 minutes. So in 18 minutes, this is what I was able to get. So I've got all the gas, the nebulosity around it. I've got the more detailed here on the core of the flaming star. I got the bands coming down. Again, a lot more detail than I think I could have gotten just doing this like 3 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever. Not in this amount of time. I never would have achieved this in 18 minutes with a standard f5 or f7 scope. Just would not happen. Now my focus is off a little bit. The Celestron focuser worked fine. There was not a problem with that, but my settings in SGP are not fine, and I'm not 100% sure what the settings are supposed to be. That's going to be for another time down the road, but this was the effect. This is all I was trying to go for tonight, was just see how it's going to perform. So once we get the focusing dialed in and get that part taken care of and figure out what's going on with PhD, talking to them out, next time should be even better. So there you go. Hope you're happy. Clear skies.